Okay, so for this we need a destination link. So I'm going to be using the for this video I'm going to be using the link of my previous video. So I'm going to click on share and copy the link, or I could just have simply copied it from here and share it. Anyway, we're going to head over to grabify.link. It should be the first link you see on your search engine. So just paste that link here and create URL, then click I agree, and then you should see a reCAPTCHA or a H captcha. Then click and answer it. Then click check, and you should get your new URL. Now it's gonna be obvious it's from a Grabify link. You could use other IP loggers or go further to hide to make the new URL look much better. Actually, it's actually YouTube um YouTube URL. So here you can click and make a custom domain where you can change it from Grabify to catthings and fun, catthings.com, linkcoding.com, and some other sites. Now this is useful if you're dealing with scammers and want to know exactly if you're from a particular country. Let's for example, someone tells you they're from India when they are really from USA or other countries, and the just are just trying to scam you. Now this is just a tutorial video and it's nothing more. This is just basically an informative video, so to say. Now we copy that URL, and if anyone clicks on it, you should get the date and time, their IP address, the country they're from, and other information. There are also other IP loggers out there like use, but I think Grabify is it's more popular, and I think it's much better and it's accessible. So now click on Discord, or click on wherever I want to post URL to. Now I'm just going to click on Discord to show if it's going to appear as though it's a YouTube URL. As long as people don't really look at the link, then they can just click on it and think that, and they're going to see the video. So now let's click on this and open it, and here it says catthings.com. and I'm gonna get redirected to YouTube and straight to the video. In this video, now if you go back to Grabify, you'd see your IP address and the rest.